way of personally saying thank you for serving our country.
Fishing. We're going to talk a little bit about Warrior Weekend. While my family and myself love to participate in Warrior Weekend. If you haven't ever been down, it's just a beautiful thing. Port O'Connor, Texas, the show of support for our men and women that have fought for us, fought for our freedoms.
Our military just really shines every branch. And this is our opportunity. We're getting closer to the Warrior Weekend down in Port O'Connor. And I just want to reach out and tell everybody, this is my 10th year of doing this. There's nothing more that you can give, nothing more that you can say to these people than thank you, a big hug, and just a few little hours on the water.
So every year, praise God, we've always had enough boat captains. But again, all the boat captains are volunteers.
And you would hate to not have enough boats and have people who have come down here to fish and there's no boat for them to get on, right?
Absolutely. The whole purpose of coming down here is to take them fishing and the fellowship.
Take-home fishing is just something to give back to them, and I know it's just something little, but something simple like that, just a way for us to show our support for our men and women that serve.
All you have to do is have a boat, rod and reels, and a love of fishing.
That sounds like a lot of the people we know.
What other better way than putting smiles on people's faces, realizing half of these soldiers have never fished. Some of them never been on a boat, and some of them never been in saltwater.
So I encourage you, find your way to volunteer. To being a boat captain is just amazing. You get them on your boat, it's like a captive audience. They get to share with you their experiences. You get to appreciate the fact that someone reaching out and touching them and not just giving, but really their actions showing. So I just wanted to let you folks know how it feels and how amazing it is to be a boat captain for Warrior Weekend. Is one of the most amazing gifts you can give these guys. So please find it in your heart, make the time, put it on your calendar, sign up, and have an amazing, blessed day. Bye-bye.